Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Elated. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make spinach egg scrabble. For that I have been taken spinach which is washed one, and I have been taken one tomato and one onion and bit coriander leaves. Firstly what I gonna do is I cut all this spinach, tomato and one onion and bit coriander leaves. After that I gonna take a pan and I gonna add nearly half cup of oil. Once it is boiled I gonna add one chopped onion. And fry it well. Once it is half boiled I gonna add tomato. Once it is fried well, I'm gonna add bit salt. I'm gonna add nearly 1½ spoon of salt. You can add according to your convenient or according to your taste. Now I'm gonna add raw spinach or palak. I'm gonna fry it very well such that the raw smell of this spinach should be vanished. And there should be no smell of this green leaves. You're gonna fry it nearly for 5 minutes. It's better way to close the lid and you can fry it such that it can fry well. After 5 minutes you can see it's done. Now I'm gonna add nearly 2 spoons of chili powder and nearly 1 spoon of pepper powder. And you can add according to your taste. I'm gonna slightly mix it off. Guys, once it is done, now I'm gonna add egg. I'm gonna add nearly 3 eggs. You can add how much you really required. Plus 1 spoon of garam masala. Now I'm gonna mix it well. I'm gonna scramble it all over. Now at last I'm gonna add bit coriander leaves which is chopped one. Now you can see it's at final stage, it's almost ready. Friends, spinach is very healthy, which is rich in proteins and which is high in vitamin C and rich in iron content which helps your hair growth also. So spinach is very useful and it's very healthy. I suggest you to try it out once in your home. And yeah, my recipe is ready now. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you friends.